Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do exercise 2.3. We are studying chapter number 2, that is tenses revision. So come to the page number 24, exercise 2.3. Translate into English, then convert into past and future tense. First write CW and date at exercise 2.3. In this exercise we will have to translate the given sentences into English. Then we will convert these sentences into past and future of the same tense. So the sentence number 1 is बच्चे आँख मचोली नहीं खेलते हैं. First we'll see the recognition of this tense. In the last we can see ते हैं, and we know that ता है, ती है, ते हैं या ता हूँ is the recognition of present indefinite tense. So it means that it is the present indefinite tense, but it is in negative, as we can see नहीं खेलते. So the structure of present indefinite tense in negative is subject, do or does not, plus first form of verb and then object. So the subject in this tense is बच्चे, and खेलना is the verb, खेलते या खेलना, और आँख मचोली is our object. So we'll translate the sentence. First write subject, the children, then helping verb. With children we use helping verb do. The children do not, first form of verb is play. The children do not play आँख मचोली hide and seek. Now change into past. We know that we just have to change the helping verb. Sentence will be the children did not play hide and seek. In future, the children, we use helping verb of future, that is will. The children will not play hide and seek. Sentence number 2 is डाकिया इस गली में कब आता है. This sentence is in interrogative because we can see the question mark at the end, and also it is asking कब आता है. In the answer we will explain time कि डाकिया कब आता है. Now we have two types of interrogative sentences. First is yes no interrogatives that start with the helping verb, and second is WH interrogatives that start with the WH word. Yes no interrogative means you just have to answer in yes or no. As you can see, do you play cricket, इसका आंसर आप देंगे yes I do or no I do not. And if I ask what do you play, then in the answer you will have to explain कि आप क्या खेलते हैं. You will say I play cricket, I play hockey, I play badminton, etc. So in another words, in WH interrogatives we will have to explain or give our answer, or in yes no questions we just answer in yes or no. Now see the structures of present, past and future indefinite tenses in interrogative. We know that in interrogative sentences we put helping verb at the start of the sentence. So the present indefinite structure will be do or does plus subject, then first form of verb and object. In past indefinite we use helping verb did at the start, did, subject plus first form of verb and object. In future indefinite, helping verb is will, subject, first form of verb and then object. Now you can see that all three tenses have same structure in interrogative, just there is a difference of helping verb. And if we have to form WH interrogative of these tenses, we just have to put WH word at the start. बाकी तमाम structure same रहेगा, सिर्फ WH word start में आ जाएगा, so it will become WH interrogative. So we were discussing sentence number 2, डाकिया इस गली में कब आता है. This sentence is interrogative and it is WH interrogative because इसका आंसर मैं yes no में नहीं कर सकती, मुझे अपना आंसर एक्सप्लेन करना होगा कि कब आता है. So डाकिया subject है, that is postman, and आता या आना is verb, that is come. And according to the structure, first we have to use WH word. In this question, कब को कहते हैं when. So when, then helping verb and the subject. So subject is the postman. The postman is singular, that is why we will use does with the postman. So sentence will be when does the postman, verb is come, is gali mein, in this street. In the last we will put question mark. When does the postman come in this street? Next, in past we just have to change the helping verb. Sentence will be when did the postman come in this street? And in future we use helping verb of future, that is when will the postman come in this street.